Hi, this is Lisa and you're watching me on Femina.in. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. I don't know if I swear by this. Actually, I do swear by this, sunscreen. But I've recently been on a surfing trip to California, and they are obsessed with sunscreens there because they're aware of like how damaging the sun is or whatever. And I found like a collection of these fabulous sunscreens that you don't even feel on your face afterwards. So I think that that's one thing that I would swear by. The fact that I didn't come back from this holiday with patchy skin for me is like, yes. Another beauty hack that I have, and you should not go in the sun if you do this, is use glycolic wipes to sort of cleanse your face. I find they're just exfoliating without, you know, rubbing your skin with rough beads or surfaces like we're used to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Moisturizer, water, sleep, green juice, 8 hours of sleep. That's pretty homemade. Okay, I know. So, well, this applies to me. I don't know if it applies to everyone using makeup, but I only use base or cover up on the areas that need it. For example, under my eyes, maybe around my nose and my mouth. Very light little dots instead of like pasting my whole face in base. But yeah, be comfortable in whatever you wear and don't let it wear you. Hope you enjoyed watching my interview on Femina.in. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe.